So a flat roof should never be really truly flat. In a situation where we have water ponding or puddling or drainage problems, we'll utilize tapered polyiso insulation in order to get the water off. So in this video, we're gonna go over how to install that. Next, it's important to review your tapered insulation diagram or plan. Usually this will look like an eagle view, and it's going to actually point what directions the panels are supposed to land and what directions are gonna lay the water out. If you follow that plan and make sure that your boards go that way, you'll be all set. With tapered insulation, you start with the lowest board on the edge first, wherever water is going to drain off toward drains or toward gutters. In this situation, this is an 1/8 of an inch tapered insulation system. So we're starting with a 1/2 an inch over here, and then this board moves up to 1 inch. It will continue to work our way up to the end there to gradually drain the water off. The boards get bigger as you go. So in this situation, we're starting with a AA board. This is an A board. Then we're gonna move over to a B board there. In some situations, you'll even get to the point where you need to use 2 and 4 inch boards to fill it in so that we can continue to stack up. But the bottom line is use the right board for the right area to create a smooth slope running toward the drain. So the next step is to build any hips, crickets, or valleys in the taper system. So in this situation, we cut the board diagonally from this end to that end in order to flow this water that way and this water that way. You want these boards to sit as snug as possible. This is an important step to keep the water running off. When installing a tapered system, it's important that each board sits tight. There cannot be any gaps greater than 1/8 of an inch, and everything should be level so that the water can flow off smoothly. Final checklist. So taper plan reviewed with the project manager. We started low and worked our way up following the plan. The right boards were used in the right places. Any hips, valleys, and crickets are cut clean. The panels are tight, smooth, and draining properly. Now we're ready for our cover board or our final membrane.